me to go?
I'm gonna let them pass through.
Oh, okay.
If you want to, you can.
No. I seen you fucking sliding around that. Yeah, I was like, I seen that. I was like, damn. And then when you were coming around that one corner, you slid it fucking nice.
Oh. Yeah, I dropped a little too much rear brake. Just a little.
Yeah, but I mean, you look nice out there, nice and smooth. You know, it's not like you're slowing too much before you hit the corners. You look good, man.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, I thought they were fucking coming this way.
It's all good, man. I needed a break anyway. I ain't gonna lie. So.
I was feeling good. I didn't want to stop yet.
Yeah.
But I'm out of breath. Now I'm about